This is the practice test for percents. Here we're looking at problem number 15. The problem says, only 84 out of every 500 adults consume the daily recommended amount of calcium. What percentage consumes the recommended amount? So we are looking at the percentage, looking for the percentage. The problem asks what percentage. So we would want to look on the handout sheet for the percentages, and we have the formula for percent, which is the part divided by the total times 100. Now we should be able to recognize that the total is the 500 and the part is the 84. So the 84 divided by 500 is going to give me 0.168 on the calculator, and that's a decimal number. I always have to multiply by 100 to change it to a percent, and my final answer is going to be 16.8%.